This was a verdict that many had expected after the defense early on acknowledged Christensen's guilt. It sets up perhaps the true legal battle in this case over whether he should live or die. It was the verdict Yingying Zhang's relatives had waited 2 years for, but it did little to ease their pain. I want to bring my daughter home, pleaded Zhang's mother, whose anguish punctuated a heartrending 2 weeks. In stark contrast, Brendt Christensen didn't flinch as the verdicts were read. His demeanor similar during 8 days of testimony as the prosecution painted him as a cold, calculating killer who tortured Zhang and tried to hide his crime. In his closing argument, federal prosecutor Eugene Miller said he didn't know her by name, but her name wasn't important to him. He wanted a certain type of woman, a petite woman who could easily be disposed of.
Words could not describe their pain and suffering. It's unthinkable. It's so hard.
For the defense, the true legal battle now lies ahead, keeping Christensen off death row. The prosecution's allegations of torture and premeditation at the heart of it. After the verdict, the court releasing audio played in court of Christensen describing the murder in horrific detail.
She was valiant. She was.
She what? She fight.
More than anyone else.
Of Christensen's recorded words describing the murder in horrific detail, defense attorney Elizabeth Pollack argued they were embellishments. It's awful, it's horrible, she said. It makes you want to hate him, but that emotion cannot overcome the facts. An attorney for Zhang's relatives was asked if the family wants the death penalty for Christensen. He would only say that the family was consulted and its wishes considered before prosecutors made this a capital case.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.